So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video we are going to discuss about two different job opportunities in company 24 by 7 AI where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So do watch this video very carefully till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. Now, the first job role that I'm going to discuss today is for voice based role in 24 by 7 AI. So, in this voice based role, it is a pretty simple role. All you have to do is you have to solve the queries of customers of 24 by 7 AI via purely calling. So, it is not a blended type of job, it will be purely calling kind of job role. So, you need to have good communication skills, and the salary they can offer for this role is around 2.5 to 3 LPA. But in addition to the salary, there are a lot of perks that 24 by 7 AI offers, and which many of the other companies do not offer. I will discuss those perks later, but first I'll also tell you about the interview rounds. So 24 by 7 AI usually conducts an online test first. That online test comprises of English reasoning type of questions, logical reasoning or mathematics type of questions, but they are very simple, so you don't need to be afraid of anything or prepare thoroughly for that test. But you need to have good communication skills in English to clear that, and then they also will conduct some test related to Versant voice. So for that you can go through Amazon voice Versant test, but it will be comparatively easier as compared to Amazon voice Versant. Then in the round 2 they can give you an essay to write to check your communication skills again. So that should you should also be prepared about as to how you can write an essay. I'll also show you in the video later. And then there will be HR or the managerial round where they will ask you certain questions which will also be covered in this video only. But first, next I'll talk about the non-voice role. I had prepared a video earlier also for this non-voice role, but that was long time back, so I thought I should make it again, and the video and the opening is still open now. So for non-voice, the only difference is that you will solve queries of customers via chat and email support, and the interview rounds will be similar. First there will be online test, but instead of voice version they will take a typing test or some other questions related to Versant written. So for that you can go through my video for Amazon Versant written, but it will again be simpler than Amazon Versant written. Then the next round will be an essay writing round for this position also, so you must be prepared about that. And the round 3 again will be the HR or the managerial interview, and the questions in both these situations for voice as well non-voice role in HR manager will be pretty much the same. And the salary for this one will be comparatively a bit less, it will be around 2 LPA. For voice based role it will be more, but the perks will be same. So now I'll take you to my computer screen to discuss these interview questions and how you can apply for these roles. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and first of all I will discuss about the perks that I told you this company gives. So salary is between 2.5 to 3 LPA for voice based role, and the perks that they will give you are free transportation with door to door pickup and drop facility, life insurance facility, medical insurance for self and dependents, and their office has world class facilities like cafeteria, gym, sports arena, amphitheater, and theme based breakout zones. Location will be either Bangalore or Hyderabad, and the interview rounds for the voice based role will be online tests will be conducted first, which will consist of English grammar, some reasoning based like logical reasoning or very simple mathematical questions, and then speech and pronunciation test, which is similar to Versant voice test. And then in round 2 they can give you essay for writing, so you must be aware about the structure of an essay, which is the first paragraph should be introduction, which should be of 3 to 4 sentences. Then comes main body 1, main body 2, and lastly is the conclusion. And then if you clear these rounds, round 3 will be the HR or managerial round. So some of the questions they can ask you in HR managerial round are: tell me about yourself. So here you can cover your education, hobbies, interests, career goals. Any memorable day you remember? So here you can talk about a positive day that you remember, like some achievement you had in your professional or college life that you can talk about, or you attended some birthday party. So talk about only positive experiences. Do not talk about negative experience like a road rage that you remember or something like that, because it will give you a negative, uh, negative feeling to the HR recruiter. Then the very common question they ask is, who is your role model? So here you can talk about a known personality which everyone is aware of, and what positive characteristics they have, and what have you learned from them. So here I would not suggest you to talk about a movie star or someone who you like for their acting skills or for their good looks, rather than talk about a person who has done something good for the society and they have really good characteristics. So that will look like more of a matured answer. If you talk about these actors or these kind of people, and if they haven't done anything, then it may look as a very immature kind of answer. Otherwise it depends on you. Then they can ask, what is a BPO? So BPO is business process outsourcing, which comprises of front office customer support services like tech support and back office business functions like billing. When a company plans to cost effectively carry out non-core work by an expert, they outsource it as a project to a BPO. Difference between BPO and call center, so that also I've covered before. So call center is mainly focused on resolving customers queries, and it is a subset of BPO which usually involves only phone work. BPO on the other hand includes call center in its services and other outsourced back office tasks, as told before. Then they can definitely ask you, what is AI, because 24/7 AI is all about artificial intelligence and its use. So you must be aware about the definition and example. You need not go into technical details. So artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer or machine to mimic the capabilities of the human mind, learning from examples and experience, recognizing objects, understanding and responding to language, making decisions, solving problems, and combining these and other capabilities to perform functions a human might perform, like driving a car. So, this kind of simple definition you must know. And why 24/7 AI? So here you can talk about good things about this company and the USP or the uniqueness of the company, which is that it is a one of its kind that uses artificial intelligence to improve customer service. Not many companies are there which do that, and it is on based on future artificial intelligence technology. So these are the kind of questions they can ask, and you talk about them. Now how you can apply? So I have floated this on my website. So whether you want to apply for voice or non-voice role, the link is the same. You can click on this link and it will redirect you to this page on my website. And it is very simple. You have to handle customer queries via call. If you want to apply for voice based, for non-voice it is email and chat. And if you are comfortable, just click on this, apply for this job, and you will be redirected directly to the website of 24/7 AI, where these openings have been floated, voice as well as chat support for Hyderabad and Bangalore. So whichever you feel comfortable, you can apply accordingly. And in case you want to get your CV rectified for this job role or any other job role, you can get in touch with me. The link is given below, or you can write an email for me, and I'll give you a 20% discount if you are my active subscriber. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till